Ever seen that check engine light flash, leaving you wondering what's wrong? Today, we're diving deep into a common, yet critical, issue. The P0217 code. P0217 signals an engine over temperature condition. Ignoring it can lead to severe damage and costly repairs. Understanding and addressing this code promptly is crucial for your vehicle's health and your peace of mind. So, what exactly does P0217 mean? It's a diagnostic trouble code indicating your engine's coolant temperature has exceeded its normal operating range. Your car's engine control unit, or ECU, constantly monitors various sensors, including the engine coolant temperature sensor. When the temperature surpasses a preset, critical threshold, the ECU triggers the P0217 code, alerting you to potential overheating. Many factors can contribute to an engine overheating. Let's explore the most common culprits behind the P0217 code. First, low coolant level. Insufficient coolant means less heat transfer, leading to a rapid rise in engine temperature. Next, a faulty thermostat. If it's stuck closed, coolant can't circulate properly, trapping heat within the engine. A malfunctioning cooling fan is another common cause. Without proper airflow, the radiator can't dissipate heat effectively, especially at low speeds. A clogged radiator, whether from debris externally or internal blockages, severely reduces its cooling efficiency. The water pump circulates coolant. If it fails, coolant stops moving, leading to rapid overheating. Leaks in the cooling system, from hoses, the radiator, or water pump seals, can quickly deplete coolant levels. Finally, a blown head gasket can allow combustion gases into the cooling system, causing pressure buildup and overheating. Recognizing the symptoms of P0217 is vital for early intervention. Here's what to look out for. The most obvious signs are dashboard warning lights, the check engine light, and the temperature warning light. You might also see steam billowing from under the hood, a clear visual indication of severe overheating. Coolant leaks can manifest as puddles of brightly colored liquid under your car, often green, pink, or orange. Overheating can cause engine performance issues, such as reduced power, hesitation, or rough idling. A sweet maple syrup-like smell is often burning coolant, indicating a leak or a more serious internal issue. When troubleshooting, safety is paramount. Always allow a hot engine to cool down completely before inspecting anything. Check your coolant level in the reservoir and radiator. Ensure it's within the recommended range, and top it off if needed. Visually inspect all hoses, the radiator, and connections for any signs of leaks, cracks, or damage. You can test your thermostat by observing if the upper radiator hose gets hot after the engine warms up. If not, it might be stuck closed. Verify your coolant fan engages when the engine reaches operating temperature or when the AC is turned on. Inspect the radiator for external blockages like leaves or bugs, and consider if internal clogs might be present. For complex issues or if you're unsure, seeking a professional diagnosis from a certified mechanic is always the safest bet. Once diagnosed, solutions range from simple to complex. Let's look at common repairs. Refilling or flushing your coolant system is a basic but essential maintenance step. Always use the correct type of coolant. Replacing a faulty thermostat is a common repair. It involves draining some coolant, swapping the part, and refilling. Repairing or replacing the cooling fan, including its motor or relay, restores proper airflow to the radiator. A clogged radiator can sometimes be cleaned, but often, replacement is the most effective solution for optimal cooling. Replacing a failed water pump is a more involved repair, but essential for coolant circulation. Fixing leaks involves identifying the source and replacing the faulty component, whether it's a hose, clamp, or seal. Head gasket issues are serious and costly, often requiring significant engine disassembly. Professional repair is always recommended. Preventative maintenance is your best defense against P0217. Regular coolant checks and changes are key. Periodically inspect all cooling system components for wear and tear, and ensure you're using the correct coolant type for your vehicle. The P0217 code is a serious warning, but with the right knowledge, you can diagnose and address it effectively. Timely repair prevents further engine damage and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Don't ignore that warning light. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks to keep your ride in top shape.